Good morning, boys and girls. It's Mrs. Paddock. Today is Friday, April the 17th. Hope you're all having a great day and hope you all had a good night as well. We're doing our morning meeting right now and I am going to flip it over to our calendar so we can get started. And there we have it. So again, our month is April, A-P-R-I-L, April, and the number today is 17, 1 and 7, not 7 and 1, which of course is 71. We don't want that number, right? We want 17. It is Friday. Oh, we love Fridays, right? It means the weekend is here and we will be home on Saturday and we will be home on Sunday as well. Remember, no morning meeting on Saturday or Sunday, okay? But do look for my stories. I'll keep those coming during the weekend, okay? But if you could count with me, that would be great. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Great job, my friends. Let us sing our song about what today is. So today is Friday, the 17th. Yesterday was Thursday, the 16th. Tomorrow hasn't happened. It'll be Saturday, the 18th. So we are going to sing our song. Remember how it goes. Sorry, I'm just adjusting my hand here. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Today is Friday. Today is Friday. All day long, all day long. Yesterday was Thursday. Tomorrow will be Saturday. Oh, what fun. Oh, what fun. We're going to move on to our days of the week. And if you could sing with me. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. There are 7, there are 7, there are 7 days of the week. Great job. We're moving on to months of the year. We ready? 1, 2, 3. January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, and August, September, October, November, December. There are 12 months in a year. Great job. And here's our numbers. Here's our numbers chart, and we're going to look at the tens column. We're going to count by tens. Are you ready? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Great job. And let's skip count by fives. Are you ready? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Great job, my friends. I'm going to flip it back to me. And there we have it here. And so again, our season is spring. I think this weekend they're saying that the weather is supposed to be a little bit nicer and it's supposed to rain, which of course that's what happens in our during our spring. It's still a little bit chilly outside right now, but it's supposed to warm up later. If we look outside my window, it's pretty sunny outside. It's starting to get sunny outside. And so I would say it's sunny from my street anyways. I don't know what it's like at your street. Boys and girls, if you do go outside, do dress a little bit warm though, but I think this afternoon it's supposed to warm up a little bit more. So hopefully you're out there maybe with spring jackets today. That would be nice, eh? What else should we talk about? Well, you need to be finishing off your homework, my friends. So I hope you do that. And remember, it is those 2 booklets, the alphabet booklet and the numbers booklet. So finish off those booklets because this week was the review week. And so again, you're finishing these ones off. So that's the numbers booklets from 1 to 10. And of course, you're doing the alphabet booklet as well, which is right here. So from A to Z, right? And so do that. Next week, we're starting our Earth Day week because next week, of course, we're going to celebrate Earth Day. We're also going to be starting our Author of the Month for April. I know it's a little bit late, but that's okay. And our author is Dr. Seuss. And I know some of you have heard Dr. Seuss stories before. This weekend, I will post a couple of books, Earth Day stories, and some Dr. Seuss books, because you're going to need them for next week's homework, okay? Especially the Earth Day ones. You're going to have a couple of assignments, but I will talk about that at morning meeting on on Monday, but I'm just going to quickly show you what some of the assignments are going to look like when they're finished, okay? And I'll send these to your parents as well, just so they can see. But this is one of them, and it is, you're supposed to color the earth. So green for the land, that's the grass and stuff, and blue for the water. And then it says you're going to write down, I can heal the world and make it a better place by, and you have to put down just one thing that you can do to make the earth a better, a better place. I put down 3 things: reusing plastic bags, shutting the water off. So for example, when you're brushing your teeth or washing dishes, shut the water off, and picking up litter. So I put 3 things down, but you only need to put 1 thing down, okay? I will be reading some stories on the weekend, so listen to those stories and see if they give you any ideas. So that's one assignment that you need to finish next week, and then take a picture of it and send it to me. If you don't have a Band-Aid to put onto the earth, that's okay, but the whole point of this is to say that we're gonna heal the earth. And of course, Band-Aids, usually if you've got a little owie, you put a Band-Aid on and it makes it better, right? So we're going to heal the earth. But again, if you don't have a Band-Aid, that's okay. Make sure that your parents take a picture of you with this. I'd like to see the picture so that you're holding it like this. Yay, nice smile. And then send it to me. That's part of your assessment, okay? So that's number 1. The next one that you need to be working on is this one, and it's got 3 sheets. One is got the sheet with the columns, and then the other one is the 2 sheets with the pictures. And then you have to color the pictures and then put them in the right column. And one column says reduce, one is reuse, and one is recycle. But as you can see, some of them kind of go in between both. So for example, water, you can reduce your water by shutting it off and not using so much, but you could also reuse your water. So for example, if you had a little bit of leftover water from your lunch or something, you can reuse that maybe to water a plant instead of having to turn the tap on again, right? Maybe you're collecting water outside to then water your plants in your yard or your garden, okay? Glass jars, we can reuse glass jars, maybe to put leftovers and stuff, but we can also recycle them. And paper bags, again, we can reuse paper bags. We can also recycle them as well, okay? So some of them will go into 2 columns, but basically I need you to color them and then cut them out and glue them in the right column. Okay, so that one too, I need your parents to take a picture of you holding this and then send that to me. Again, this is due next week, not this week, so don't rush to do that. The last thing is for assessments is this All About Me booklet. I've colored the first page, and I need you to work through the booklet. Have your parents help you with it. The first page is the important page for coloring, so if you could do a good job on that, that would be great. And then again, have your parents take a picture of you with your All About Me booklet. The rest of the pages, I want you to do them, but if you don't get a chance to color them, that's okay. But do the rest of the booklet. You could draw the pictures and stuff, but if you don't get a chance to color it, it's okay. All right. I will also be reading, like I said, the Earth Day booklets this week, and I'll post them on YouTube, and a Dr. Seuss book, because next week you're gonna be doing a worksheet on Dr. Seuss, but that one I don't need you to take a picture of, okay? So just 3 things for assessments next week. I'll send those pictures to your parents so they can see what it looks like, and then you guys can work on it next week. So don't rush to work on it today or this weekend, but next week, okay? I love you all, and I miss you. Hope you have a great weekend. Remember, no morning meeting during the weekend, but I'll see you again for morning meeting on Monday. Hope you have a good one, my friends. Love you all and miss you. Bye-bye.